Hello, I'm Murilo, Virtual Avatar. Today we're going to talk about forget everything you know about design. Today we are witnessing the death of the blank page. Google Stitch is here, and it's about to give you godlike UI powers. What if I told you that you could build a multi-billion-dollar looking app interface in less time than it takes to brew a coffee? We are talking pure AI speed, no limits. The industry is shifting, the gap between your imagination and a working product has just vanished. Welcome to the era of Google Stitch. Let's break it down scene by scene. Whether you're a founder needing an MVP or a designer stuck on a blank page, Stitch is your new secret weapon. Let's get started with the basics. When you first land on the dashboard, you'll see two main paths, mobile and web. The interface is clean, keeping the focus entirely on your prompt. One crucial choice is your engine. Use Gemini Flash for speed and rapid iterations, or Gemini Pro for complex logic and better visual reasoning. Let's start simple. A basic prompt will get you a standard layout, but the real magic happens when you get specific with your instructions. For the best results, describe the vibe, the primary colors, and the specific sections you need. Specificity is the language of great AI design. Stitch doesn't just give you one screen, it often outlines an entire user flow from login to settings, ensuring a cohesive user experience from the start. Once generated, you're not stuck with what you get. The power of Stitch lies in its conversational editing. You can talk to your design like a coworker. Simply click on any component. A menu pops up allowing you to change colors, adjust margins, or completely rewrite the content of that specific piece. Want to tweak the style? Just type your request. Make this more modern or change the accent color to gold, works like a charm. And if you're feeling adventurous, try YOLO mode. It tells the AI to take creative risks, giving you bold alternatives you might not have considered. But wait, there's more. One of the most insane features is Sketch to UI. You can literally turn a napkin drawing into a professional design. Just upload a photo of your sketch. Whether it's a whiteboard brainstorm or a quick doodle, Gemini Pro analyzes the layout and structure instantly. Watch as the AI interprets your messy lines into clean components, proper typography, and balanced spacing. It's like having a senior designer on speed dial. The accuracy is staggering. It maintains your original intent while applying professional design principles to every pixel. Stitch doesn't just design, it analyzes. You can generate predictive heat maps to see exactly where users will look first, optimizing your conversion from day one. Adjusting the global theme is a breeze. Swap color palettes, change fonts, or adjust the roundness of every button across all screens with a single click. If something isn't right, just keep talking to it. The AI remembers the context of your project, allowing for deep, iterative refinements that feel natural. Look at this photo library app. The AI correctly identified the need for a sidebar navigation and a central grid, all based on a simple semantic prompt. Stitch is equally powerful for web. This real estate landing page was built with complex layouts and clean components in seconds, ready for presentation. Now, the billion-dollar question, how do we get this into production? Stitch integrates perfectly with the tools you already use. You can copy and paste directly into Figma. It preserves editable layers and auto layout, so you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. It's a massive time saver. For developers, Stitch provides clean HTML and CSS. It even supports modern frameworks like React, allowing you to jump straight from vision to deployment. Advanced users are vibe coding by taking these designs into Google AI Studio to add logic and backend functions, turning a mockup into a working application in record time. Pro tip, you can even paste a URL of an existing site and Stitch will attempt to reverse engineer the design language for you to modify. It's perfect for competitor analysis. Remember, this tool is still in beta. While it's incredibly powerful, you should always treat these designs as a high-quality starting point that needs your human touch. Google Stitch is redefining the design process. From text to UI, sketch to code, it's about moving at the speed of thought. Start experimenting today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more AI insights. Se quiser participar do nosso grupo de network, clica no link da descrição. I'm Murilo and I'll see you in the next one. Let's look at web design. You aren't limited to simple pages. We're talking full-scale SaaS dashboards with navigation drawers, data tables, and interactive charts. The real genius is in the export. It doesn't just send images, it sends real editable Figma layers with auto layout already configured. This saves you hours of manual work. Let's go deeper into the mobile workflow. This is where Stitch truly shines, optimizing for various screen sizes and touch interactions automatically. When prompting for crypto, mention specific UI elements, ask for total portfolio cards, trend lines, and coin-specific iconography to guide the AI. Look at the hierarchy here. The AI prioritized the portfolio value at the top, followed by trending coins, just as we requested in our detailed prompt. It even builds the subpages. This distribution chart isn't just an image, it's a structured layout ready to be animated or coded. Building this flow manually in Figma would take a senior designer at least 2 hours. Stitch does it in 30 seconds. That is a game changer for speed. Now let's switch gears to e-commerce. A food delivery app requires heavy image handling and clear call to action buttons. Let's see how it handles food. The AI automatically pulls relevant, high-quality placeholders. It understands that the burger joint needs a hero image of a burger to grab user attention. It even handles the logic of a shopping cart. Notice the quantity adjusters and the clear, prominent Proceed to Checkout button at the bottom. For the full experience, it generates the post-purchase tracking screen, complete with map placeholders and status progress indicators. This is a complete end-to-end flow. Now let's talk about global aesthetics. The Apply Theme section is where you define the soul of your application. Colors, fonts, and border radius. Changing your brand color is instantaneous. You don't have to go through every layer. One click updates your primary, secondary, and accent colors globally. You can also tweak the corner radius for a softer, more modern look and swap fonts to match your brand's personality without breaking the layout. Once your design is ready, you can generate a public link to share with stakeholders. This allows for real-time, clickable feedback before any code is written. This feedback loop is what makes Stitch a collaborative powerhouse. It's not just an AI tool, it's a communication bridge between you and your clients. When you hit Generate Variations, you get a buffet of options. Some might be safe, while others explore different layouts or hero sections to spark your creativity. Gemini Pro doesn't just design, it thinks. In the sidebar, it explains why it chose a specific layout, helping you understand the UX logic behind the AI's decisions. Look at this dental booking app. It correctly implemented a 30-minute time slot selector and a clean calendar, proving Stitch can handle niche, logic-heavy interfaces. This is what I call the vibe polish. You can talk to the AI about feelings and styles, not just components. Ask it to be more playful, minimalist, or luxurious. For the developers watching, the code export is clean. It uses functional React components and Tailwind CSS, making it ready to be dropped into your existing codebase. It handles the architecture for you. It defines global variables and uses consistent utility classes, ensuring your project remains maintainable as it grows. The correspondence between the design and the code is one-to-one. What you see is exactly what you get, removing the translation errors between design and engineering. One vital tip, privacy. By default, your inputs might be used to train future models. If you're working on secret projects, make sure to check your settings. You can opt out with one click. This keeps your intellectual property and sensitive client data completely private within the Google Stitch ecosystem. This is just the beginning. Future updates will include full app deployment and even deeper logic injections. The gap between design and app is closing every day. My experience? It's addictive. It doesn't replace the designer. It liberates them from the mundane tasks so they can focus on the big ideas and the true innovation. Whether you're a solo founder, a developer who hates CSS, or a pro UI designer looking for fresh inspiration, Stitch has something revolutionary for you. Don't get left behind. Go to stitchwithgoogle.com and start building your future today. If you found this masterclass valuable, let me know in the comments. Quick bonus tip, Stitch allows you to bring your own custom icon sets. Just drag and drop and the AI will auto-style them to match your current theme. Effortless.